Do you think he wants me? Huh? A sick world we live in. I think that's what I'll title this video. What a...
You don't know what's coming yet, kids. I hope this isn't the right angle. Let's go. Merry Christmas. Well, that's fucking beautiful. I got no juice back here at all. Nothing in the bathroom, nothing in here. I'm gonna need to check that fuse by the fucking box there, man. I got no juice in the back end. Alright, that's fine. Back half, yeah, I don't know, I need to check the fuse box. It'll take a little longer, folks. Come on, Billy, let's go. Let me check that fuse box. Well, I got no juice back there. Nothing in the bathroom. I know there's no refrigerator in there. He's swaying it now because he knows I'm coming in there. What am I going to do? This shit's funny. Hi, YouTube. This is Dr. Distasteful. There's all kinds of wrestling around in there, ain't there? Well, for your entertaining pleasure. You like that, don't you, little boys? Woof, woof.
Check it.
He likes that. did you ask my permission? No. You should have left it alone. Well, now you just bought yourself a $75 refrigerator.
Really?
Yes, you did.
Okay.
If you don't want it, you want to keep taking it out of here, it's yours.
It fell the first time, and then she fucking
You
had
broke it
nowhere
the
for
first
food.
time.
And I got it fixed. I paid to have it fixed. And then her food for fucking, she was gonna lose her fucking food and my kid's food.
So
I
you
let her
lied to
borrow
me.
it.
So there's your refrigerator right there. I said that ain't no refrigerator.
But the power
Come
was
on,
out.
you're
I already
fucking
knew
lying.
it was out.
I just asked you, hey, is your refrigerator on? Oh yeah,
I
it's
didn't even
frozen.
check it. I didn't even check it.
You just told. You
I
lied
just
to
put my
me,
shit
right?
in there.
Billy, you lied.
All right.
You lied to me. You fucking lied to me.
It's like the power was out. The power wasn't out. The power hasn't been
Well, where's my refrigerator?
out. I'm having a breakdown.
No, you don't need to bring it because you just bought it. $75. You don't need it. I don't need it. You know, you want to take my property out of my house.
Better use it, Glenn. That's all.
No. You asked me if she can use my refrigerator. You don't just take it on yourself. That's stealing, brother. It's stealing, as far as I'm concerned. Fucking stealing, brother.
Sorry, you're right. I'm wrong. Right.
You say, Glenn, hey kid, my fucking lady, old lady needs the kids, like that refrigerator's gonna help her out. God only knows what you could have pawned the son of
Dude,
a
I just got paid $900. I just came home. I came home straight.
Where's my refrigerator?
You the fucking money, dude. I'll bring her it. She'll bring the refrigerator over.
No.
I'm on the phone with her now.
No, she needs
I
it
have
more than I do.
$800.
She doesn't need
That's
it more
like,
than you
like
do.
I got to pawn a fucking. What am I gonna get? $5 for it? Like if you pawn it? I didn't pawn the refrigerator, dude. I didn't. I let her fucking.
It should have
use
never
it.
left my house.
I understand that. You're right. I'll make sure it comes back.
I don't care what you did with it. You just bought it.
Okay,
It's coming out of your security.
Okay.
And since you lied to me and I can't trust you, you need to make arrangements.
Okay, but then you can get my fucking receipts and everything. Too.
I'll get your
And
receipts.
then
I'll get your receipts.
Take the 75 out of my fucking security, and then I got you on a month. So to give you a month.
Well, you're paid up.
Security,
You're paid up to the following Saturday.
I just paid you $26.
Right, so you're good for last week and up till next Saturday.
Okay, and then you take the 75 out of my deposit, and then the rest of my deposit.
That's it.
That's fine. I'll give my deposit, the rest of my deposit, not a problem.
You can't tell me the truth. You're supposed to be a Jersey boy. You're supposed to be legit.
You're a pussy, bro. Go into my room, because I sit here and watch you on my camera before I put the lock on. You're going through my shit.
You're out of your mind.
Yeah.
Show me a video. You know, I thought it was awful strange that you couldn't go to the bathroom or smoke a cigarette without locking your door, so I figured something was
I
wrong.
don't want nobody in my fucking room. If you were in my fucking room, I watch.
You watch it. You're out of your mind. There's no cameras in there.
All right. I got a phone that I use for a camera.
All right, yeah. What?
Don't tell me what I got. That's what I got.
What? Well, show me a video, because I'll show you one. I will. I'll put it on YouTube. Man, you can't piss on my back and tell me it's raining, Billy. I'm from Jersey. You take my fucking shit out of here, and then you lie to me to my face. Oh yeah, it's freezing. It's working great, and then it's not even in there. And then you try to. I hear all this rattling around in there.
Because I had all my fucking dirty clothes thrown in my fucking closet.
Hey, wait a minute. No, you're trying to put a blanket over the refrigerator, telling me the table's a refrigerator. Exactly what you said. Are you kidding me? Are you
All right,
that
it's over.
fucking stupid?
All right, it's over with. Yep. I heard you.
You must be.
All right, I am. It's over with. I heard you.
So make arrangements,
I
brother.
heard you. It's enough. I heard you. I'm not going to argue with you like you were. I I heard you. You said what you had to say.
You stole my refrigerator.
No, I didn't steal shit. It's coming right back here. Nobody stole
No,
shit.
no,
I don't
you
steal
bought a
shit.
refrigerator
I
now.
make $900 every fucking other week. I get up every day and go to fucking work. I don't sit around and fucking just fucking wait for people to call me.
Oh, there's something wrong with that?
Huh?
When you got $5,000 in your pocket, I can't sit around?
Yeah, right. Okay, yeah.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Well, I don't know what game you play other than pizza, but I actually make real money.
Okay. I'm glad you do. I'm glad you make bread.
I do all right for myself. Well, it comes to an exciting ending, and now he's going to be YouTube star too.